Hello my dear students, myself Krutika Patel from Samarpan Gyan School, Errata. As we have completed our first periodic test, we shall begin with our new chapter, that is English unit number 4 from the Honeysuckle book, unit 4, An Indian American Woman in Space. Who is that? Guess this one. Who is she? She is Kalpana Chawla. So this chapter is about an Indian American woman. Now why is she known as Indian American woman? Now this we are going to see it in this chapter. So let's begin with this very interesting chapter. So she is Kalpana Chawla. Very interesting story. Suddenly a news report has come. What is that news report? A tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia, this is the name of the space shuttle, breaks into flames in an unpredicted space tragedy. US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying born in India, American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and the 6 other broke apart in flames as tricked over Texas towards its landing strips on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost control with NASA at about 9 a.m. that is 19:30 hours 1 ST. This is international time. As it comes in for landing, it was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 kilometers per hour. When ground control lost contact with the shuttle, Columbia has lifted off on 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and 7 members' crew conducted 80 experiments before it began with downward journey, which ended in tragedy. So this is an introductory part. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle said to be a good 400 flights. Now this is the content from your textbook. So now let me tell you what is the meaning of broke apart. Means it crashed, टुकड़े टुकड़े हो जाना. And on the board मतलब on an N or an F, on board, all killed on the board means on the aircraft. So let me tell you what is the explanation of this. That is, there was a spacecraft, that is US spacecraft from Columbia, and it had one person, that person was born in India, and then after she was she became astronaut in America, and she had along with her 6 other people. It was about to land on 1st February. It was about to land, but it could not land and killed all of them because the space shuttle lost contact. Space shuttle का जो contact था वो टूट गया NASA के साथ, and it was flying at an altitude. कितनी फीट पे हाई था वो? 2 लाख फीट हाई था, और उसकी स्पीड कितनी थी? 20,000 kilometers per hour. So this was all about the flight, and this flight stayed for 6 days in the orbit, जो अर्थ का ऑर्बिट होता है उसमें. And this crew members did 80 experiments before beginning to come back. They did 80 experiments and then they were returning, and this flight was going to take another 100 flights, but this was an unsuccessful one because while returning it lost contact with NASA. And what Kalpana Chawla said? Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontier of the space. मतलब वो जहाँ born हुई थी एक बहुत छोटा सा प्लेस था, वो कभी वहाँ से बाहर भी निकलेगी, स्पेस में पहुँच जाएगी, ऐसा उसने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था. Nobody thinks about it, but if you think beyond your limits, you can do everything. It was enough that her parents allowed her. बहुत बड़ी बात थी कि उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसको कॉलेज में पढ़ने दिया. So allowed means permission दी. So here is his father. So she was born in Karnal, and she never thought that she would cross the boundaries of the place where she was living, and it was very big thing for her that she was allowed to take admission in engineering college after getting graduation. So after bachelor's of science degree in astronautical engineering, against great depression from her father, she went to master's degree to United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in the successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. So here, astronaut, what does this mean? A person who is very well trained to become the member of spacecraft. Blast off means take off from launching site. नीचे से वो जो missiles नहीं छूटते हैं, like how the space shuttle moves. So they have all seen the launching sites. So what is the explanation? That his father was against her education for going to United States of America, but then to fighting with the father, despite of the opposition, she went for her master's degree to America. Then she also completed her PhD, and she was the first Indian American woman who was astronaut to take off from the rocket launching. And her family also cheered up. Her family was also there when the shuttle was launching, and the staff was also there. And now let us discuss something about her more. That is, Kalpana was born in Karnal. Karnal is in Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, and she was married to a flight instructor, Jane Perry Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was also licensed to fly single. She can also fly single, and also with the multiple engine land air planes, single engine seaplanes, and also the gliders. She had all these licenses. She was also certified with the flight instructor. She was also a flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. She took another challenge, that she wanted to appear for NASA space shuttle program, and then she was hired. She was called for that. Hired means usko le liya gaya for research scientist at NASA. And in 1904 she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So besides means a part. And what is glider? Glider is fixed wing aircraft. You can see glider over here. It is fixed wing aircraft. So she was born in Haryana. She got married with the flight instructor Jane Perry Harrison, as I told, and she got all these licenses. She was also having the license of the flight instructor, and then she accepted another challenge, that is to apply for NASA space shuttle. Then first she was appointed as a research scientist, and then she was trained as an astronaut. Now, when asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much have many dreams like anyone else and followed them, and people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. So what is pursuing means? Pursuing means continue to do what you want to. So what she is saying, that she feels like she never thought that what she is going to become, but she also had lots of dreams like what even we have. So she thought of so many dreams and she followed them, and fortunately, luckily, she was having such a good people around her that they always motivated her to go around to catch her dreams. So now what happened next? Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was for 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. This was the mission. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and the Eurasian astronaut. The crew performed various experiments. What are the experiments? Pollinating plants to observe the food growth in space and test for making the stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for the price tags of about $56 million. So what here it says that this was the first mission of her. She went, it was mission for 15 days, then 16 hours, more than 15 days, and then 34 minutes including that. And she had to cover 10.45 kilometers in the orbit. She took how much around the orbit? 252 times. And what were the experiments? They do that is pollinating the plant in the space, and also they tested for making the stronger metals and also the faster computer chips. So on the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief. कोई विश्वास नहीं कर रहा था. The town of Carnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television set in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote, "She was a heroine. It took enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to astronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is inspiring." So here there are lots of difficult words. Let's have a look at them. That is disaster. Disaster means naturally calamity, that natural or a sudden incident which took place, which had a great damage. Disbelief मतलब lack of belief, कोई विश्वास नहीं कर रहा था. Glued means चिपक जाना, देखना, बस टीवी को लगे रहना कि कब न्यूज़ आ जाए. Enormous means big. Encyclopedia means a complete comprehensive knowledge about everything. Astrophysics means branch of astronomy and study of physical nature of celestial bodies. And aeronautical means science of building aircrafts. And awe-inspiring means amazing, remarkable, stunning and astonishing. So here it says that जैसे ही न्यूज़ आया कि there is a big disaster that has happened to the space shuttle, everyone got stuck to the television and watching the news that कोई ऐसा बोल दे कि कैसे भी कल्पना बच गई है और उसकी टीम बच गई है. But this could not happen. Everyone lost their life. And one of the journalists has written that वो एक हीरोइन थी. She could, एक एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. They should have knowledge of everything, from biology से लेके physics से लेके astronomical engineering, everything should be there. So her achievement is remarkable. So for millions of young Indians, The story of Kalpana, a girl from small child who touched the skies, had become an inspiration in a message that she sent from abroad space shuttle Columbia to the students of her college in Chandigarh. Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." So this was the message given by Kalpana Chawla to the students of the college, that everybody would have dreams, and there is a success path for achieving that dream. So you just need to walk on that path, and you just need that courage to achieve that dream. And so she is wishing best of luck to everybody. And this is the last and the very most beautiful message from her, and from this lesson too, that is Kalpana Chawla said, a dream can become a reality. For this one must have courage honi chahiye, and work for it. You have to work to achieve that. So this is all about the Kalpana Chawla. This is all about this chapter, that is Indian American woman in space. And here we come to end of our beautiful chapter. With this message I end up with this video.